Hey guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I know you didn't have to. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe, and hit the ring ding bell for notifications. Yeah, if it's not your first time, then hey you guys, I'm so excited to be recording again. Oh my goodness, I have not been on here in 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks, seriously 2 weeks. And yeah, I am doing my quick run through of my Allure Beauty Box for December of 2018. It's 2018. So if you guys want to see my Allure Beauty Box for 2018, hint, it's basically a Nikkie. It's a Nikkie box. Here we go. It's a Nikkie box. So if you guys want to see that, you know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. Box, you guys, if you don't know about Allure is a subscription box. It is $14.99 a month, but your first subscription is $10 and you get a free gift on your first box. Yeah, I'll always leave my link so that way if somebody does want to sign up, they can get a free gift. It'll give me a free gift that I will in turn more than likely end up giving back, giving away. Because if they send the same stuff, I really don't need all the same stuff. So, but yeah, I end up giving it back. So I always leave my link below in case you want to use it. And let me just tell you guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, this month was totally worth it. Especially if you just got it for $10, because it's totally worth it. And next month is going to be amazing as well. So let's just go through this. Okay. So here's the front of the pamphlet, like I said, and it is a Nikkie Jaeger, and that's Nikkie Tutorials. So obviously the first thing I got in this was the Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials, the Everglow highlight. I do have this already, but I am sort of like hit pan on the white color, and these are just beautiful colors. They really are, y'all. I don't have to even tell you guys about this. You guys already know that Ofra has amazing highlighters, and this is just a gorgeous mix. And so you mix all three of these together and it's just a beautiful rose gold. I mean, and that's for real, for real. Like, take your brush and swirl it around, use it, and it's rose gold. And just a little fun fact about Courtney. I bought the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials highlight and with the 3 lippies. I bought that. That was the first influencer product that I ever purchased. And it was a long time ago, but it was the first actually influencer product, like YouTube influencer product that I purchased, because I don't know, we won't go into that, but this is the first product that I ever purchased. So it kind of brings me back to that point. I'm really excited about it, and I do like Nikkie a lot. But yeah, this is amazing. And so for that reason alone, the cover of this, because I think it's such a gorgeous picture of her. You guys know I'm saving things to go on my backboard, so I'm going to y'all probably see this on my backboard. So if you do and it's weird, I'm sorry, but I mean, she's a part of you know, her, not anybody else but her. And if I had a picture of Emily Noel, I would throw her up there too, and I may just try to find one, be creepy. So yeah, there is the rose gold. Yeah, so we got that, and that retails for $35. Okay, so the next thing we got is this beautiful the NYX it's the NYX lingerie, and it is it's in the color Cabaret Show, and it's a mauve brown liquid lipstick, and it's got a cool tone finish to it. This is one of Nikkie's Instagram favorite lippies. So it says it's a matte finish and it's cool. So we're going to use this on the lips. So I haven't tried this yet. I'm kind of excited. It's got a strange doe foot though. I haven't tried any of the lip lingerie stuff from NYX, so I really do like that. It feels super soft. Super, super soft. That's nice. I like that. I do like that. Anyways, okay, so yeah, that is available at $6.99 at Ulta or anywhere else you can buy NYX products. But just to let you guys know, you guys can get 30% off of Ofra Cosmetics if you enter the code Allure30 until February 1st of next year. So February 1st of 19. So I forgot to mention that. You guys, I always tell you the coupon codes. So the next thing that we got was, it's called the Ren Clean Skincare Recovery Balm. Or Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. And this is basically a really good nighttime skin balm, and it's good for oily skin, it's good for dry skin, it's good for sensitive skin. It's got really light oils like almond, jojoba, and sunflower oil. It melts into the skin with no greasiness or shine. And just don't layer it under serums or creams. They might not penetrate the balm. And what a waste of good skincare is what they say on here. This retails, the price for this normally for the large size, which is this is the large size, retails for $48. So this is a good little skin product. This is a 5 ml. So it's not very much, but it's good. And it lasts. I have had this before, and it's really good. So if you want to get that, you can go to renskincare.com, and you can enter code Allure18 at checkout to receive 20% off your order. That excludes value sets. And that's valid until February 28th of 2019. So there's that one. That one was nice. And then the other product that we got was this amazing, beautiful rose gold little liner. And I love this because there's a brush tip, and it's called the Lash Splash Architect Waterproof Slim Liner. It says on here, it's so strange when I saw it, it says do not shake before use. So I thought that was kind of strange, because a lot of times you do have to shake them before you use them. But it's $14, which is not a bad price. It's really not a bad price, because it is a brush tip. I love brush tip liners. And you can go to lasplashcosmetics.com, and you can enter code Nikkie Splash for 25%. And so this is one of the products that I believe that she also basically said that this is a good product, this is a good brand. Let's throw this in the box. So yeah, it says makeup artists are only as good as the liquid eyeliner they keep, and DeJager knows how to pick a good company. This is a black liner, has a very small brush tip, applicator with a sturdy but very fine tip, thin yet buildable lines. So it's super beautiful, and I'm going to show it to you. It is very thin, and I'm talking about like super thin. So, and to see how the brush tip just lays down, and just, it's a good liner. It really is. I have not used it on my eyes yet, but just swatching it, I don't think it's as dark black as what they're claiming it is, but it's still a good liner, I believe. We also got a little sample size of the Neutrogena single wipes, which I know have been super controversial, and they come in a bag like this, and people have been upset because they're saying it's a waste of plastic. They're saying a lot of stuff about the environment, and it's to each his own. I could use this. I'll put this in my purse or somewhere, and if I need it one day, something happens, if I start crying or whatever, or if I don't know. Anyways, I'll use this, whatever, it's fine. So the palette that we got, I'm super excited to show you guys. It's from Juvia's Place, and it's this cute little mini Nubian palette, and it's so cool because what they did is they pulled the colors. They all got together, and they, like the Allure editors that got together, and they pulled some of the colors out of the Nubian palette, the original Nubian palette, and this is what they came up with. And these are the colors that they chose. And I'm not a huge fan of what they chose. I'm not a fan of this color. But these colors very surprised me. And, I love Juvia's Place. Beautiful pink shade right here. This nice pink shimmer. And this maroonish color. Just those two colors together are worth it for me, because they're gorgeous colors. And I don't have those two colors in... I don't have the Nubian palette. So I don't have those two colors in any other palette as far as I'm concerned in the same formula. So I'm happy about this. This is a good little palette. It's easy to carry around and everything. So this retails for $20, and this is, you can go to juviasplace.com to get 10% off, and you can use code Allure. So that's valid until January 30th of 2019. So yeah, so these are the amazing products that we got for this month. And next month is going to be amazing as well, because they have decided that they are not going to use boxes anymore. They're going to just use bags, and their bags are going to be like this. And I think this is really awesome. I think this saves a lot of you know, they're complaining about, you know, these things. You know, what about all the boxes and stuff that's, you know, other stuff that's, you know, not biodegradable. Anyways, I'm not going to go off about that. But this is the new look of the Beauty Box. I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the back. It says, sleek, chic, and multifunctional. Starting in January, you'll discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including a collectible limited edition pouch or reuse or reshare. Sneak a peek on the flip side. There it is. What could be better than that? 6 amazing picks. 6 products we're getting. Plus, if you sign up for January, you'll get a free gift with the link down there. You get a free gift. So you'll have 7 products. Possibly 8, because it says 6 amazing picks. Plus a bonus gift inside your new shiny pouch. So, and it says scratch off to reveal 2 of the products you receive. So this was a scratch off card back here. This is a scratch off card. It took me forever to scratch this off. But you guys, look at the products that I will be getting. It's going to be over $136 in product, and it is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil and the Sunday Riley A+ Retinoid Serum. And then the bonus gift is an NCLA. I think that's a nail polish or something. Either way, 2 Sunday Riley products. Hello. That's going to be awesome. So basically you have, you know, opportunity to get 8 products for $10. If you sign up, you get 8 products for $10, which will be totally worth it. So you guys, I will leave everything down below. If you want to use it, that's cool. If you don't, I completely understand. It is fine. You do not have to use it. So, but I was just so super happy to get on here and show this stuff with you guys, because I think that, or share this stuff with you guys, because I think that this is a really, really good Allure box. And I am super happy about it. So I was happy to share. So what do you guys think about it? Do you like it? Are you thinking about getting it? Have you gotten it? Or are you on the fence? And what do you think about the little mini palette here that we got? So I think it's awesome. So, and if you do get it, what do you think about the changes they're making, you know, as far as like not having the box and all that? You guys let me know in the comments. I will be watching, and I'm so glad to be back on. I really am. It feels so good to be back online, and I hope you all had a very, very great holiday. And remember, I love you all, but I will not argue with you. If you like the video, tap the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and the ring bell for notifications, and I will support you back. I love y'all. See y'all later. Bye.